Hey, to take screenshot on the Google Pixel 8a, all you have to do is just to use two buttons combination, the power button and the volume down button. So take a look, click and hold on the both buttons at the same time and your screen will flash, just like this. You can actually take the screenshots, but there's also a second method how you can capture the screenshots. So you will have to go into the settings. Now you will start actually from this screen, you will have to scroll all the way down, select system. Now go for the gestures and select quick tap to start actions and go with a take a screenshot. Now when you go back from this and double tap, your screen will also flash. You will hear that screenshot sound and there it is. When you tap on it, you can open this screenshot, customize it, for example draw something right here, and you can click save in the left upper corner. And now you can find all of your screenshots in the Google Files. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.